think we're gonna have to break the box like this. There you go.
We have 6 like this shelf. My son is mounting the shelf here. Here, this is his plants, decoratives. Some birds chirping. Nearly done here. We want to put all the items that is on the floor, to put them on the shelf. See, it's nearly done. I think it's all done. Yeah, they were on the floor, now they are on the shelves. I bought 2 shelves like this. 2 racks like this. We got delivery of 1 only. We've been wandering around. Of course, we have to see what's in there and get our package from MTEL. Did a package here. Yeah. And we are hungry now, eating potato chips from, I think this is from El Mundo. They like the mayonnaise a lot, especially my elder son. Yeah, tasty. He is eating pizza from Pizza Inn. And we are eating KFC. Me and my husband. He's eating a box master. I'm telling him to show his box master. Il devait bien régaler. Yeah, I prefer to eat wing drum because I like chicken cooked, really. Very well cooked. You know. Yeah. And here, yes, they are buying chatime. Salah is fond of chatime. He is Salah. Yeah. This is it. Go baby, go. Oops. Oh my god. Overflowing. They put too much in it. Tissue. Yeah. Mamma mia. We've been walking a little bit. We also love the shop. The products are wonderful from there. They work very well. And here we have the Galaxy. This is Jambuya. All the shops are wonderful. Oh yeah, this is a post cafe, Bidai Cafe. Adidas nearby Vidai Cafe. This is a beautiful spot in Jumbo. You need to take a coffee here. They are wonderful people. You get lots of space. Anybody can sit here and have a coffee. Yeah, this is near Port. You have many hair salons here. Lots of space. See? You can get your hair done here. I love Jumbo. Mix. I had to put my bag on the bench so I could film for you guys. Here my son bought a radio and a model like old-fashioned one usually, but this one came with a Bluetooth, and he's trying to flex his radio, as you can see. Yeah, he liked the color white. You can use your old cassettes now. Your VHS, how do you call that? They used to call it VHS, wasn't it? The only downside is, I think, the batteries. You have to use big batteries, and when it's down, you have to buy more and more. Unless you buy powder or rechargeable one. Yeah, this is my Hop and Hop cat. Oh, cute. He's still with his radio, trying to get a song. He's doing like the Joker. He likes to prank, to joke. This is, I think we are in BI parking here. BI has got his own parking here, so whenever we go to Port Louis, we just park our car here. Now I am at home. Yeah. I don't know what I have done with my clips. I have mixed them. I was knitting. Now I am preparing the dinner. This is a salad de pomme d'amour, tomato salad. I bought hodgepodge from Nayans. These are the pickles that I bought. Yeah, I think at near SBM Bank at Plano. There's a man who sells these pickles. His wife learned how to make pickles from some kind of ladies from India. So I bought from him and had lots of avocados from my own tree. This is the cake that I bought for Salahuddin's birthday. Now I am eating my biryani with mixed pickles. Tasty, yum. See? Yeah. My pickles. I tried eating on a paper leaf. I told by my friend. As soon as finished, you put it in the dishwasher. Yeah, let me tell you about this chair. I bought it from Tekdo. I think Tekdo is putting some kind of promotion over, I don't know what, because their shop got, I think there was fire there, so now they are doing like a liquidation or something like that. They are selling half price all their furnitures. They're always hungry, asking for food. Yes, wanna give you food. Yo Lara, yo Mimir. Come on, eating my food. This is Royal Canin, bought from Espace Maison at ShopRite at nearly 900 to 1000. I am watching knitting as always. I love knitting. This is one of my hobbies that I learned when I was in Australia. I don't know how I felt. I fell in love with knitting. Yeah, watching knitting podcast and at the same time knitting, and I myself making a kind of video. I don't know if you guys will like it or not, but I'm trying to do my best. Yeah, I made like a gilet with this pink fluffy yarn. Yeah, he is also fluffy. He is so spoiled. They are brother and sister. These two cats that we have. He took all the space on the sofa. Yeah, it's here now. Yeah. It says I have to join here another skein of yarn. I am pulling from inside so that it becomes easy to work with. Already joined. Yeah. It is very difficult to make video while holding your own mobile or your camera. I film with my mobile. This is another knitting work I mean. This yarn is very rough on my skin and it hurts sometimes. It hurts my fingers, my skin, despite the fact that it is written penguin. This is the sleeve and I'm using 2x2 with 2 purl 2. This is another project that I'm working on from Europe and Rose. I'm putting like small triangles of various colors, making them like a kite, and then I will add up all of them with black yarn. These are my yarns that I'm using, so maybe I can show you later on how it will turn out. And this is my shoe rack. I'm going to wear this to go somewhere outside, so yeah, already wearing my shoes, and my cat always asking for food. Yeah, this shawl my sister brought from Australia from me, and the blanket down there I just bought from Manju from Plaisance.
Come here.
It's very nice and fluff. Yeah. Yep. This jacket I got from Saudi Arabia. We bought it from Mazaya Mall. And this is a product from Face Shop. I usually use that for my face. Oh, sorry, I'm making noise with my sofa. Yeah. His name is Menon. He's very demanding.
So this is what I'm going to prepare.
Yeah, now so I'm preparing dinner here.
Now let's go outside, take out the chicken from the car here.
I'm going outside. I don't know. Yeah, I think I'm looking for something for the things that I bought. I'm taking
Let's
them
get inside now. This is a chicken. I bought some more veggie here. I have potato and I have coriander. I got some water bowl.
Getting some water bowl for a coffee.
I would like some
choosing the coffee.
Jacobs. This one is too small for me. I like to drink a lot of coffee.
No, small one. No.
Let us see what we have in the store.
Let's get a big one.
Let us go in the Alibaba
A big
cave. I'm sorry.
Maybe
Spider-Man.
my Spider-Man one.
I think Spider-Man would be better. I'm taking this one. Get quite a lot in it. Would you like some coffee? Yes, now. Would you like some
My son
coffee?
is coming back from, I think from a tour of basketball, I think. Yeah, now we're drinking our coffee. He does not like milk, but I do. A coffee or a tea always make me happy.
Eh?
He loves getting on Salah's bed, watching for some birds maybe. Oh, this is a big samosa. I like
We
to buy
just
this
bought
from
a
Little India shop.
TV.
From Plaisance, of course. And these are some stuff bought by my husband. This is a bracelet I bought from Latlive for my son.
Got lot leaves on it.
From Plaisance again. It's leather. Now this is a clip from Dream Price. Me and my elder son, we went there. I think we went to a shop
L'anno qui alla
where
via
we
mol
had to
l'anno
buy
per
some
l'auto.
computer
Adesso
stuff.
più mosso per la plastica un di che ci sono andati a
It's very cold there and windy. It was raining too. We bought quite a lot of stuff. These things that he used to put in the computer, in the PC, and it's like a fan. It spins and it has so many colors. Loads of stuffs for computer, earphone. What was interesting is that I found a machine that cuts. What is the thing that you put on this? I think it's to protect the screen. Screen. Screen protector. This is the machine that got the sheet of screen protector, and you just stick it on your phone. So many goodies. Yeah, we spent quite a lot of money there.
I apply the henna on my. We bought a new TV.
My henna.
This is tea. So now I will put milk, sugar, and this is my slice.
As I said, I love my tea and all curry is a good tasty chicken curry. What is salad de pomme d'amour, tomato chutney. Not really fresh, but I cut the tomato. These peppers, what I did, I put them in blender with an apple and onion. It was tasty, like a saute. Nowadays I'm planting marigolds. I did go to the Plaisance market, Roseville market. You get good vegetables, they're fresh vegetables. These peppers were for I think 40 rupees, and I got some plants too. It was angie or angie, I don't know how you call that. Sleepy cat. It's in my bag. Sorry for the noise. This is a roselle. Some people make pickles with it, and some dry them to make carcade. And carcade is you can infuse them. His best spot. I mean her best spot because it's a girl. Her name is Madun. I'm wearing a black mask. It cleans the skin from whitehead and blackheads also. It is a very good black charcoal cream. Some of the flowers I made myself. And here I have my bicycle. Unfortunately, my treadmill is gone, it's dead. Maybe I will have to buy another one. I don't know. But first we have to see if we can repair this one. If we can, it's okay. Yeah, this is some kind of rice that we bought from Portlace, from a Chinese shop. And it was very tasty. We bought 5, we got that powder. And this is my dinner. My curries and my rice. Now my knitting. Watching knitting podcast. This podcast is the bestie, something bestie. Knitting bestie. I'm still with my triangles from Laura and Rose Knitting Pickles podcast. Just chilling after work.
As of this video, there is
The kids are playing with the cat now. It's night time right now and I am doing this voiceover on my video. This executive chair was mine, and when I was stranded in Malaysia for 4 months, this cat was born while I was not here and I was not in Mauritius, and this chair became his, and he scratches it so much, you must see.
tulis tu sampaikan dia di first kemarin. Così qua al posto.
Itu pose là, on wipe ça. Tu le poses, on va là. Et ça débat tout.
Malcolm.